Welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the document comparison. Like I have two text documents. I want version number 1 and version number 2. Each document is having like a small story regarding the donkey. It's just a moral story. Version number 1 and version number 2. I just want to compare both documents. What are the common words between the document 1 and document 2, and what are the different elements? That means what are the different elements in the document 1 that was not in the document 2, and what are the words that was only in the document 2 that was not present in the document 1. So to do this analysis, I am using the set methods. In my previous videos, I explained like a set method, union, intersection, and symmetric differences and differences. Those concepts only I am going to use it for my document understanding. So let me show you the text documents. So here you can see this is document 1 and a small paragraph of story. This is version number 1 and this is document 2 and same a paragraph of story only but little modified. This is like a version number 2. I just want to compare both documents, what are the common and what are the different words. So let me open the Jupyter file so that I will show you the code. So please wait. So environment is loading. So first I want to read the document. So I am writing like a with. With is a statement. So when you open the file, you no need to worry about the whether I saved the file and closed the file. That part we no need to worry. With will take care of that. So open is a inbuilt function. So I'm going to open the document here. A file name is, this is like a document 1, that means version number 1 as F1. F1 is the reference. It's just a variable. You can take it whatever the name you want. So now I am taking one new variable, data1 is equal to, I want to read the file. So that's why F1 here is nothing but document 1. So I am writing like a F1 dot read is a inbuilt method. So read of, you can check it what information is there in the file. So data 1, just you can see this is the data what is there in the text document. The content of the file is this one. So you no need to open from the folder, you directly open it here itself. Now I am going to, because I want to compare the document 1 with the document 2, you can see some of the characters it is in the uppercase, some of the characters in the lower case. That's why first I am going to convert my whole document into the lower case, because lower is a method in the string data type. So what I am doing here, data 1 is equal to, I am going to convert the data 1 dot lower of the whole document. I am converting into the lower case. Once I converted the lower case, I am going to use the split method, that is the primitive data type string method. So split, if I don't specify any value in the parenthesis, what will happen, it is going to split the entire paragraph into words. Let me show you. Take the variable name data1 is equal to data1 dot split off. You can see here. I am going to split it, the whole document. So you can check it here right now. You can see the whole. Before it was a paragraph. If you want to specify any value here, it is going to split the entire document into the words. But here you can see I want only the unique elements, unique words only. There is no repeated elements. I want to remove the repeated elements. Sometimes you can see 2 is repeating. You can see 2 is here and here also, and here you can see these all are the repeated elements. That's why first I want to remove the repeated elements. That's why I'm using the data structure set. Set is a unique property. It won't allow the repeated elements. That's why my data I am setting into the data structure of set format. Now you can see it will remove all the duplicates, and these all are the unique elements of the document 1. Same thing I'm going to do with the document 2. Just take the same code because I'm not going to write again. So take this one. Only I'm going to change the document name. So that is a document2.txt and variable name is f2 here. So data 2 is the new variable name. So f2 dot read off, and I'm going to change the names. Data 2 dot lower of, I'm converting same this document also into the lowercase. After that I'm going to split this document and to find only the unique elements, not with the repeated elements, because I'm setting my data into the set format. Set won't allow the duplicate elements. So now you can try to print the data 2 here. Now you can see no such file directory, because you can see I given like a txt extension 2 times. That's why you can see these all are the unique elements of the document 2. These are the unique elements of the document 1. So let's find the what is the union. Union means the unique elements of the set 1 and set 2. That is the part I already explained in the set methods. So here I want to see what are the unique elements of the document 1 and document 2. So you can write like a print of. So what is the data 1 means document 1 version number 1. Data 2 means version number 2 of the document 2. So you can write like a data 1 dot union is a method. It is going to unify the both sets, but in this case it is a 2 sets. So union of data 2. Now you can see these all are the unique elements in both documents, set 1 and set 2. Here in this case set 1 means document 1, set 2 means document 2. So these all are the unique elements. Now if you want to see the symmetric difference, that means if you want to see the different elements in the document 1 and document 2 at a time, you can use the symmetric difference. So I'm going to write like a print of data 1 dot symmetric difference of data 2. That means I'm trying to find what are the different elements in the document 1 and what are the different elements in the document 2. Now you can see these all are the different elements in document 1 and document 2 except intersection area. Intersection area means common elements. So now let's check. I want to see only what are the different elements in the document 1 only, that was not in the document 2. Then you can use the difference method. So take the data 1, like a print statement you need to write print of what are the different elements only in the document 1 that was not in the document 2. So data 1 dot difference of, you can write like a difference of data 2. You can see only these three words only the different words in the document 1, but rest of the all words are the same only in the document 2. But if you want to check what are the different elements in the document 2 that was not in the document 1, then you can write like a print of data2 dot difference of data1. You can see these words are the different words in the document 2 that was not in the document 1. So using of these set methods, you can find the common elements between the documents or maybe between the sets. So thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please follow my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.